So I'm filming this a month after returning to sea, and this is the start of our journey up north, which starts with 3 weeks of boat jobs, and we haven't been on the boat for a month. So the first thing we need to do is clean it. We were very guilty of not cleaning it properly before we left, so that's my first job. Ben's currently up the hill helping in Cairns, helping someone with another boat, and so there is quite a bit of mildew being in the tropics here. I'm not even going to open that toilet. We've had the fans running and we opened everything to ventilate it all, but yeah, there's a lot of scrubbing involved. I've got to get rid of some old stuff. Long story short, we had a first trip to the Wet Sundays, which we did for 3 months over the wet season. A lot of things got damaged, destroyed, mold infested. As you can see, everything's a bomb down there. Yeah, don't really know where to start, but cleaning sounds like a good one. Wish me luck. Now guys, I just finished cleaning the boat. That was a cool, what felt like 10 hours, but was only 4 to 6 hours later. And I've just used clove oil as well with a water solution, because we had mold on the boat. So yeah, nice and tidy. It's good. Clean in there, but we had to throw out all the pillows. Everything was super moldy. That's what happens in the Australian wet season in Far North Queensland. Look, my face is so red. But we just finished our water maker up at our friend's house, so that's exciting. Yeah, I'll have to show you that later, and yeah, peace out. Alright, so it's day 1 here on Marabou. We've finally departed port after 2 months at the marina, so we're pretty happy. A nice big swell behind us. Ben's making some lures up there, and the second mate's asleep. So yeah, like I said, day 1. We're planning to be out for the whole season until the end of the year. We're in Far North Queensland, past Cairns already, so not a lot of people up here yet, but we're hoping there will be later. Just excited to be out of the marina. We have arrived to Low Isles, and as you may or may not be able to hear or see, it is extremely windy, but we surfed our way here. Now we're gonna have a drink. Yeah, have some dinner.
Endless summer continues.
So true. Go here. So we've pulled up at Snapper Island and we've pretty much got the place to ourselves, other than a trawler who will probably go to work later this Savi. We've had a big few days of rain and wind. Really glad to see the sun. And Ben's just out there having a bit of a spearfish.
I missed the cold trout.
Oh, bugger. Alright, go do some housework. Go, come here. What lure are you using? Oh, the Qantas popper.
Qantas popper.
Good old Qantas popper. No, Blue. Blue gets a bit excited about it.
I'm excited too, man.
Bucket, because I'll probably have to grab the dog.
It is there on the water.
We almost got that one, but we think, was it a Mackay or was it a GT?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it was pretty big. But it just went under the boat because we were up the front and it wrapped around the prop, we think. So Ben's about to go for a swim. And Blue's just losing his mind.
Yeah.
Yes! Yeah! Ew! Dinner! Yeah. Alright. Yay, we got some sushi, fresh tuna, and soy sauce. Next, Mackey's. So we just had seared tuna steak dinner. From the tuna that we caught. We're so freaking happy because that was our first fish for the trip. So yeah, we're very full. I've cooked 3 bloody awesome meals today and Ben's on dishes. at Snapper Island just watching the sunset. So we just put the sails down and we're motoring in to a place called Mackay Reef, just outside Cape Tribulation. And I'm pretty freaking excited. It's our first reef since 2021, just because of weather. So there she is. And it's currently low tide, so I'll put this away and we'll keep an eye out for bommies until we pick the mooring up. So I'm cooking tuna steaks from the freshly caught yellowfin tuna that we got yesterday. Sorry about the horror film light because we're running out of daylight. It's now sunset and we're at Mackay Reef. So I'm going to take these tunas right here. These tuna steaks. And I'm going to put them into bowls of soy sauce. And then a mix that I've made out of herbs, paprika, salt, sugar, ginger, and a bunch of other secret ingredients, KFC wise, that I'm not going to tell you. No jokes, I just can't remember. So if you want to know, just ask me and I'll probably remember once you ask me. So the trick is we're going to get this pan super duper hot. I've got some rice that I've pre-cooked. Just have a bit of a side with it. So we're going to crank this pan up so it's about to get really hot and smoky in here. And while that's heating up, I'm going to get all this ready. Make sure you get a spatula to gently put the steaks in, and also tongs ready, because once it's hot, and you've only got a minute each side, and then sear the other sides as well. Put those in the soy sauce, make sure you coat it good, and you can also add sesame seeds, but I don't have any on board. So, and it's already pretty hot, so you might need a splatter guard. Living on the edge like me, you'll just chuck it right in there. So just place it in there gently. You can probably hear it. Sounds like it's shallow frying. If not, there's probably only a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Alright, so it's been about 40 seconds, I think. Just going to quickly turn these around. I probably just steamed up the camera, truth be told. You can see the steam coming off that. But that's the seared tuna steaks. It might not look something like out of a 5-star restaurant, but it tastes like it. So I've just done the blondest thing after I finished cooking dinner. I don't know where I put my wine. Mystery of the missing wine. This is what happens when I get so into cooking. I don't know where any of my stuff goes. I don't know where I would have put it. It's alright. Everybody stop looking. We found my wine. It was in the V-berth, which is bizarre.